Hello student, this is my first video on science topic in which I define light, reflection and refraction. This is a topic of 10th class. Firstly, we are study about reflection. What is reflection? Reflection bouncing back of light rays after hitting any surface is called reflection of light, in which also necessary condition is if the surface is smooth and shiny. Reflection means परावर्तन. Reflection, bouncing back of light rays after hitting any surface is called reflection of light. If the surface is smooth and shiny, it is a necessary condition for reflection is that surface is smooth and shiny. जब प्रकाश किरण किसी एक माध्यम से गमन करती हुई दूसरे माध्यम के तल से टकराकर वापस उसी और लौट आती है, मीन्स दिस इज ए स्मूथ एंड शाइनी surface. Here we take silver polish surface. When a light rays is incident on this surface, this is called incident ray, which is incidence on this surface. After hitting this ray on this surface, bouncing back of light in same direction, this is called reflected ray. This phenomena is known as reflection. That point of surface where incident ray and reflected ray both are meets or collides, is that point is called normal. And where we are draw a line, this is called normal. Incident ray make with angle normal is called incident angle. Also represented by angle I. Incident ray also represented by I, and reflected ray also represented by R. This reflected ray make an angle with normal is called reflected angle. This all phenomena is known as reflection. Incident ray is called आपतित किरण. This is called आपतन कोण. Reflected ray means परावर्तित किरण and परावर्तन कोण. I hope you understand about reflection. Next, we are study about rules of reflection. Rules of reflection. First rule of reflection is that anyways first medium is air and second medium you take this type of surface, shiny and smooth surface. First rule of reflection is that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. It means angle I is equal to angle R. Here angle I and angle R are both are same because this incident ray is hitting on this surface. After hitting this this is same make a same angle with angle R. Second rule of reflection is the incident ray, the normal and reflected ray all lie in the same plane. In figure we also see that here reflected ray, incident ray and normal, all three are in a same plane. Third rule of reflection is that frequency and speed of reflected ray are not changed. मीन्स परावर्तित किरण की आवृत्ति व चाल अपरिवर्तित रहती है. मीन्स चेंज नहीं होती है. इन जैसे इसकी फर्स्ट टाइम है वैसे ही इसकी स्पीड एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी बोथ आर सेम. देयर इज नो चेंज इन इट. These laws of reflection are applicable to all type of reflecting surface including spherical surface. It means these all reflections law are applicable to all type of reflected surface. Means it is necessary that this surface of type is a reflective, in which also include spherical surface. This type spherical surface means in which we take a spherical surface. There is a plane surface and it is a spherical surface. In next video we are study about spherical surface, reflection by spherical surface. I hope you understand this topic of reflection. If any doubt, you can comment and ask question. For more videos, you like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.